Morning children. Now with few examples I will tell you how to complete fill in the blanks in maths. See here, I have shown you here few sticks. Okay, here one stick, two stick, one small stick and one square, and this I have shown as equal to, right? So this will be equal to when we have another same kind of things this side. ठीक है, when both the sides will have the same digits or same counters or same sticks, then it will be equal to. Equal to means बराबर. बराबर तब होता है जब दोनों की साइड में सेम चीज़ें हों, ठीक है, then it will be equal to. So to complete this, if I have to complete this fill in the blanks, what I need to do is I have to put here. It was one stick, two sticks, small stick and one square. So what is missing in this? There are two sticks. So it means there are three sticks, but here there are two sticks. So what I need to do is I need to put a square here and I need to have one more stick. So this is equal. I hope it is clear. When we have to keep equal things, then both the sides should have the similar objects or similar digits, then it will be equal to. You have already learned equal means barabar, both the sides it should be barabar. So this I have shown you through sticks and squares. Suppose I have taken the number here 4 and here 2. 4 and 2 is equal to here 4. What is missing here? What number I am having this side and what is missing this side? This you have to see. आपको ये देखना है कि इस साइड में, एक साइड में जो दे रखा है बराबर करने के लिए, दूसरी साइड में उसका कौन सा चीज़ मिसिंग है. सो हियर वी हैव टू सी, हियर इट इज़ 4 एंड हियर इट इज़ 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. नाउ व्हाट आई नीड हियर? येस, इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. आई नीड टू कीप हियर 2. क्लियर? So on this base only we will be completing the fill in the blanks in maths today's class. Okay, so in another video I will show you how you will complete fill in the blanks according to this procedure to make it equal. Hope it is clear. Take care. Thank you so much. In the previous video I had explained you the process of equal to with these numbers and with these sticks and all. So here in fill in the blanks it is the same procedure. Now you see here 2728 plus 1112 is equal to, this is missing, wherever it is underlined this is missing, is equal to this dash plus 2728. So what is missing here? आपको इस साइड में देखना है कि इधर कौन से नंबर है इक्वल टू से पहले, सेम डिजिट्स आपको इक्वल टू के बाद भी लेनी है. सो हियर इन द ब्लैंक 1112 was missing, so we will be writing here 1112. Now here 1624 plus this is missing here, and in another side it is written 7141 plus 1624. So missing means now you have to find in this side what is missing. 1625 is here, 1625 is here also. Here it is 7141, but here it is not. So we will be writing 7141. Same, see here 4333 plus 3444 is equal to 3444 plus whatever is missing this side. This number is not written, so blank में you will be writing this side. Remember, whatever digits are here, 1 digit है, 2 digit है, 3 digit है, equal to will be when you will have both similar digits in both the places, then this equal to sign will be completed. Here see again, here 3 sticks, 1 square is equal to whatever is here, it is the same process, both the sides should be same. Same way here we had 1216, 2420, 185 is equal to one number is missing. So you will see first कि कौन से नंबर आपको दिए हैं और कौन सा नंबर मिसिंग है. वो इस साइड में भी हो सकता है, इस साइड में भी हो सकता है. वन साइड विल बी कंप्लीटेड इन द क्वेश्चन, आपको वन साइड विल बी कंप्लीटेड मिलेगी, and then next side you have to find out which is the missing number. So here 185 was missing, so you will write this number here. You have not to add, you have not to subtract, कुछ नहीं करना है. सिर्फ इस equal to को complete करने के लिए हमें digits को देखना है कि दोनों साइड की digits बराबर हैं या नहीं. Here 323, 3196 plus 99 is equal to 3196 plus 323 plus dash. So dash, what is missing here? 99. Once when you will start doing, easily you will be able to do. आप अपने आप कर लेंगे, but the process should be clear. अगर आपको प्रोसेस समझ में आता है कि मैथ्स में इस तरीके के इक्वल्स टू को करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है, easily you can approach. 508 plus 328 plus dash. Now here there is one dash, but this side is full complete. Now you will do it yourself. Which number will come this side? It is very clear. 328 यहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ पर भी है. 508 is here also and here also. So this number is missing, which will be coming this side. So today we have learned how to make equal fill in the blanks in maths with the help of the sticks, with the help of the numbers and with the help of the questions. Hope it is clear. Do well. Take care. God bless you.